Hey y'all, Ashley Bright here, back with another video for Hip Kit Club. Today I am sharing some of the projects that I've been making using the May kits. So let's dive in here. I will say that the May kits are full of really bold and bright colors. So I do have some pastel projects and some projects with a lot of pink in it like normal, but then I also have some projects like these, which are much more vibrant of a color scheme than I would say I normally gravitate to, but I really like how fun some of these projects turned out. So yeah, so here is a little crate that I decorated using a bunch of different ephemera and some of the pocket life cards. And then this is actually old product from Hip Kit Club as well. So we got some of the new Amy Tangerine collection, but this is from an older one of her collections. So in this crate, I added some memory decks cards. So here's this first one. Back when my sewing machine was still working, it actually just broke, so I'm waiting for a new one to arrive. But here's this pink summer loving one. I've got this hello hedgehog one with the cute little sunglasses and some of the bows that we got in this collection. And I don't usually use pink and orange together, but I thought that was actually a really cute color combination. And then the last one is here with lots of layering of different summer kinds of ephemera pieces, frames, watermelon. I just layered, this is a watermelon sticker that I layered on top of a die cut, and then one of the Maggie Holmes florals that we got. So those are a few of the memory decks cards I made. Then we also got lots of tags from Stamp Market, and I just love the tags and the colors of the tags. I've got a couple left over, and the colors, like the pastel-y colors, and there was some cute die cut images already on the tags, but I decided to make a tag flip out of it, and here is what it looks like. So this first tag has the beautiful black and white floral paper that I fussy cut out. And then the second one, color. Lots of Amy Tangerine ephemera there and puffy stickers. And then some hand stitching. And the second teal tag, using some product from the April kits. Another one of these bows, which I really love. And then here's that die cut already hello. Picture perfect peachy tag. And then this last one with some little bling pieces that I will gift out. And so yeah, that's this tag. I love how it came out. It's so pretty. So here's that. Then I also worked on an embellishment book, and here's where I kind of went back to my kind of default color vibes. So I've got beautiful pink, this gorgeous soft pink color, and then black and white on the spine here, and I'll add some tassels and stuff to the binder rings. And then I just layered a lot of the softer colored pastel items. And then we got this washi tape, which I've used this washi tape all throughout several of the projects. It's here on this, there's a bunch on little pieces on this one as well, so that kind of all ties together. And so yeah, let me flip through this binder. So it's an embellishment book, so I've included a bunch of different embellishments for her to play with. Got this little shaker envelope, and then just paper clipped this bag topper to the side. It was a little bit too wide to put it horizontal, so just put it along the side. Then I've got these little file folder, or file folder kind of embellishments. So top pops out. Oops. And then in the little pocket here, I just cut out some stamps for her to play with, embellish and play with on her own, to make her own little embellishments. That's this pocket. Then I've got some of this like yellow, peachy pink kind of color scheme again, with some rosettes here. Then you have this like vellum gold polka dot tag. There's a couple die cuts in here that's holding another bag topper in there, and then here's another bag topper out here. More of these bows. I love these bows. Again, really bright color scheme. Back here has some unembellished file folders for her to play with. Another one of these shaker envelopes, and then some more die cuts in here. And last but not least are some more little mini envelopes. So those are some of the embellishments I'm sending out in this book. And then I'll show some of the packaging too that I made. So I'm sending out just some gifts, just a few gifts, and so I've wrapped them up with some of these tags that I made as part of a design team project earlier this month. So here's the second tag. Again, really like bold, bright colors, which is really fun. So that's this packaging, and then the last item in terms of packaging, I'm going to put the tag flip in this little box. All the ephemera is from this month's kit. This is February paper. This is Paige Evans Bloom Street paper. But I made this little toolkit, and so that's what is going to package up the tag flip. And yeah, that's everything. So I hope you guys like seeing this project share. If you have any questions or want to see more details on anything, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.